grate this ginger and raw turmeric. It seems yellow orange from inside. Grate them with grater. After grating, the both looks like this. Now take out the juice from this grate with this strainer. Turmeric juice looks like this, and I have also taken out the ginger and this. See the both extracts. Add 1 spoon honey to it. Haldi turmeric juice.